Those who give with joy don't talk about it. They're happy they were able. But those who don't like to give but are forced to give, they give with pain. What? And there are those who give and know not pain in giving, nor do they seek joy, nor give with mindfulness of virtue. They give as in yonder valley the myrtle breathes its fragrance into space. Through the hands of such as these, God speaks, and from behind their eyes He smiles upon them. It is well to give when asked. Watch this. It is well to give when asked, but it is better to give unasked, through understanding. It is better to give unasked. And to the open-handed, the search for one who shall receive is joy greater than giving. And is there anything you will withhold? All you have shall someday be given. All you have shall someday be given. Karim is very smart. He does not say, all you have someday will